What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the black manta from Aquaman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. Just going to bend that out towards the left. Let's go back to the center, line this up on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go up and then bend that out. Let's draw a curve coming along the bottom of the eye. Starting from the left, come down, round out the eye, and just pull that up on the inside. Now from the top corners of the eye, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. From the left, we're going to step out. Let's curve this down, come in just underneath the eyes in the middle, go across, and then bend that up on the right. Now you want to add a trim going around the eyes. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go up, come around, and then down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to go up, round out the eye, and then bend that back down. Let's add that trim across the bottom, coming down, and then blend that out. I'm also going to connect those inside points with a slight curve. Let's draw the top half of the head. Starting back on the left, curve this up, come across the middle, and then bend that down. Let's add a trim across the eyes. Starting from the top, we're going to go up and bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to go up and bend that in. Let's add another curve along the outside. Now let's add that hose on top of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a half circle. Going up and then down. Let's go to the right. Going up and then down. From the inside, we're going to add a curve going up and bend that in. Let's go to the outside, add a curve going out around the outside of the hose, and then bend that down on top of the head. Let's draw the inside edge of the hose with a curve. And we'll add a texture inside the hose. Starting from the bottom, let's add a curve going across. Now it's going to work our way towards the inside. Bending this up and then out. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start underneath the eyes with a straight angle line coming down and in. Now from here, we want to bend this in and then down towards the center of the body. Let's trace these along the inside. Now we're going to leave a gap underneath the collar and curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. From the hips, we're going to curve this in and then down towards the middle. And then let's go back to the center of the body and draw a curve for the chest. We're going to go up and then down. Let's add a small detail on the side of the body. Starting from the top with a small half circle. Step down just up above the hip and do that again. And then repeat that over on the right side. From this point, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Coming down and then up towards the outside. And then from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve this up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's move back up towards the hip and curve the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to go back down and add a thick sole along the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. From the top of the foot, let's step up and add another curve to the edge of the boot. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start underneath this detail, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, go out to the side, curve the second finger going up, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, up across the top of the arm and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a metal plate across the left arm. Let's start from the wrist, come down and in toward that center finger, go up, draw a straight angle line going up towards the top. Now I'm going to add a point. We're going to go up and then down towards the outside of the arm. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve going up towards the top. And then along the inside, we're going to add a strap with 2 curves coming in. Now I want to separate the wrist with a curve going across and then up on both sides. Let's add a seam across the shoulders, going out and down from the collar. Let's add a circle on the outside of the right forearm. Then we'll add another detail going across the side of the leg. One on top, and then one more across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Black Manta from Aquaman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.